everyone.
Thank you for joining us.
If you're here, it must be because you have an interest in learning more about essential oils. We'd love to teach you a few things about them. I'm Sonia. I'm a full-time realtor in our local area. I've been using essential oils since 2014. We still use them every single day. They've replaced all of our over-the-counter needs. Young Living essential oils are the only oils that I use for the care of my family.
And I'm Kaya. I'm a college student. I've been using essential oils alongside my mom since she first got her first kit, but I only became a distributor recently, so I am learning just as much as you guys.
Today we want to walk you through why Young Living, what are essential oils, how to use them, the premium starter kit, of course, and how to start your toxic-free journey.
We do need to take a second to mention we are not going to specifically talk about any illnesses here. We are not doctors.
Instead, let's talk about wellness, how to support our bodies and help them work the way they're supposed to. And let's talk about how essential oils can be a part of that journey.
Now, let's get started.
Did you know that not all oils are created equal?
Have you ever read the labels on those essential oils at the grocery store? If you have, then you've noticed all the scary warnings.
Unlike store-bought brands, Young Living's oils are 100% pure. Young Living owns farms and partners with select growers all over the world. There are no pesticides or chemicals used on these farms ever.
Young Living is an open book. You can visit the farms at any time. In fact, Young Living wants you to visit. So pack your gardening gloves and you can jump in and help.
Young Living only uses the first distillation of plant material. Would you brew 3 pots of coffee using the same coffee beans? And mix them together? Still no. You definitely don't want oils that have been produced that way either.
You want the very best for your family, and Young Living holds themselves to the highest standards so that you're getting the best products.
You can learn more about Young Living's 3 pillars: sources, science, and standards at seed2seal.com.
So what exactly are essential oils? These are liquids distilled from plants. Think of them as plant concentrates or plant juice.
Did you know that 1 drop of peppermint vitality is equal to 26 cups of peppermint tea? I love that because we don't have to use much to see the benefits.
Essential oils help the plant stay healthy, and so they can do the same for us in our bodies. We use them for aromatherapy, home cleaning, personal care, and support for every system in our bodies.
There are 3 ways to use essential oils. Anyone can use them. No aromatherapy training needed. It's simple. Just pick away and go for it.
Aromatically, you can crack open a bottle, breathe it in. It's as simple as that. What you're probably most used to is a diffuser, people using water and diffusing it into the air. But on the go, you can just throw a drop of essential oil into the palm of your hands and breathe them in, and there you go.
The next way is topically. Put a couple drops right onto your skin and rub it in. Don't worry about being precise. Just get those oils on. Worried about sensitive skin? Dilute the oil with a fatty carrier oil like olive oil, coconut oil, Young Living's V6 oil, or apply to the bottoms of your feet.
Internally, you can put drops of vitality oil into an empty vegetable capsule, a cup of tea, or a glass of water. You can even cook and bake with them. Try some lemon vitality in your yogurt or some oregano in your spaghetti.
Essential oils are potent plant concentrates, so let's talk safety. Here's the 411.
Keep essential oils out of your eyes and ears. Those are both really sensitive areas of your body. Take it from me, peppermint in the eye does not feel good. It's no fun at all, especially when you do it twice. If you do get an oil in your eye, don't rinse it with water. Rub some carrier oil over the area.
Photosensitivity, the fancy word for sunburn, is no fun. But citrus oils can cause it, so apply citrus oils where the sun don't shine.
Notice an oil getting too warm on your skin? No problem. Apply a carrier oil, that's a fatty oil, such as coconut oil, right over top to cut the heat. This is called diluting, and you should always do this for young children, the elderly, or those with extremely sensitive skin.
Use glass or stainless steel when adding citrus oils to your drinks or water. Citrus oils can break down plastic, and you wouldn't want to drink plastic with your favorite drink.
Now let's talk about just a few specific oils.
If you're heading out into the woods, you want your Swiss Army knife with you. If you're heading out into life, you want your lavender.
Lavender is called the Swiss Army knife of oils because it's so versatile.
Lavender can soothe your skin and helps balance your emotions.
I love to unwind at night by adding a cup of Epsom salt and 4 to 5 drops of lavender. You can spritz your pillow with distilled water and lavender to help carry you off into the night.
Another one of Young Living's most popular oils is frankincense. I think the wise men were onto something when they brought frankincense to Jesus. Seriously, they couldn't have chosen a more valuable and practical gift.
From grounding to emotional support to skincare, frankincense is a powerhouse.
Need to collect your thoughts? Diffuse frankincense.
If your skin looking radiant and smooth, grab some frankincense. Add it to your lotion or night cream to highlight your natural beauty, or you can put it on just by itself. It's gentle enough to do that.
And don't forget frankincense during your post-workout massage. Bliss. Next, we wanted to mention blends. So far, we've talked about single plants, lavender and frankincense, but blending oils together have a specific purpose and can work some serious magic.
Panaway is a blend of wintergreen, helichrysum, clove, and peppermint, and this is your new BFF after exercise, or after sitting too long in your desk or in the car. You can rub it to your back, your neck, or anywhere for a little soothing.
Need to apply Panaway to a larger area? Add a little bit of carrier oil to make it stretch even further.
The last oil we want to mention is actually a line of oils, the Vitality oils.
See the white Vitality label on that bottle in the picture? Young Living has made it super easy for us to know which oils work well internally. Just look at the Vitality label and you'll know it's a great pick for your water, a capsule, or your favorite recipe.
Some oils have both regular labels, which would be the colored labels, or Vitality labels, which are the white labels. Regular solid colored bottled labels explain how to use them topically or aromatically. Vitality labels explain how to use the oil internally. They're the same oil, just a different label.
Examples include lemon, peppermint, oregano, basil, and so many more. Think cooking.
Other notable Young Living products include Ningxia Red and the Thieves line.
Young Living's Premium Starter Kit isn't just oils, though. They also include 2 packets of Ningxia Red, an antioxidant drink that, well, pretty much will rock your world.
It's packed with superfoods like wolfberry, plum, aronia, cranberry, blueberry, and pomegranate juices and extracts. It's a whole body nutrient infusion in a shot glass. It promotes health and wellness and normal cell function. It even supports energy levels and normal eye health.
There are so many ways to drink your daily dose of Ningxia Red. Drink it straight out of the bottle or add a few of your favorite Vitality oils. Blend it into a smoothie or morning juice or pop a packet into the freezer until it's slushy. A daily shot of 2 to 4 ounces helps support overall wellness with powerful antioxidants that we need.
Now, we've all had those moments when we're not close to a sink and we really need to wash our hands. Thieves Hand Purifier is a waterless way to clean your hands on the go.
It's infused with Thieves and peppermint essential oils. It smells so divine and even soothes skin with aloe. No need to dry out your skin just to clean it.
The starter kit includes full-sized Thieves Hand Purifier that you can throw into your purse, diaper bag, or backpack.
Another on-the-go cleaning product you'll want to carry with you is Thieves Spray. It's ideal to use on door handles, grocery carts, and public toilet seats if you have little ones. You can use it on any small surface that needs cleansing to protect from dust, mold, and undesirable microorganisms.
Plus, the small bottle is again the perfect size for traveling, keeping in your purse, diaper bag, or book bags.
The starter kit includes a full-size Phoebe spray for you to try.
At this point, you're probably wondering, what the heck is this premium starter kit that we keep mentioning?
Young Living essential oils are not available in stores, and Young Living chose this business model deliberately. The teenager at your local Sprouts cannot educate you and provide you with a community for support and resources. When you become a Young Living member, you get a whole community of people through our Facebook groups and email contacts who will guide and support you at no extra cost.
We don't have these oils in stock. They must be ordered directly through Young Living. Our job is simply to refer you to the company. The only way to get this beautiful premium starter kit with all of these amazing options is for you to join Young Living as a wholesale member.
Becoming a wholesale member is not a scary thing at all. You're not signing your life away. A wholesale account is a bit like Costco or Sam's, and there are no required auto ship programs.
This is the premium starter kit we've been referring to, and it is $165 wholesale. It includes the oils, product samples, diffuser, and a lifetime wholesale membership. There are other options with other diffusers if you would like to look at those as well. The retail value of this kit, however, is well over $300. Frankincense and Panaway are almost $75 together, and the diffuser alone can retail for $75. This is a fantastic and diverse group of oils to equip your home with, and there are great savings in these kits.
To remain an active member, you simply have to purchase $50 worth of product a year, per year. That's it. No strings attached, no monthly requirement, but we do have a fantastic optional monthly program if you are ready to dive into a lifestyle change. It has tons of perks and freebies.
And there's the 3 equals free program.
You can earn this kit almost for free by enrolling a few friends with Young Living. You get a $50 thank you check from Young Living for each person who enrolls the same month you spend 50 PV or $50. More on this in another video. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? It can change a lot for a family to have extra money each month just because I started sharing with friends and family, the same way we share about movies we see, activities, restaurants, or even where I got my last pair of jeans.
Young Living essential oils are healthy, safe, and highly effective without any of the yucky side effects. Even better, the oils aren't meant to add to your budget. They're meant to take place of other things you're buying and save you money in the long run. Which brings us to our next point.
We know that no matter what we say, there are 3 types of people here watching this video today.
The first type is thinking, no, thanks but no thanks, this probably isn't for me, and we want to thank you for coming anyway. Thank you for your time and taking the chance to be here today. If you ever change your mind, you know where to find us.
The second type of person is a little bit more serious and is maybe thinking, this sounds good, but I'm not ready to commit to the full kit of essential oils. That's just fine. You may want to check out Young Living's basic starter kit for $35, and you can add a few of your other favorite products that you'd like. We want to provide you with all the information we can and help you find the answers that you're looking for. So feel confident that you and your family will benefit from essential oils. Oh yes.
The third person is serious about natural solutions for their home and body and is ready to try Young Living products now.
Yay!
If this is you, yay. You will want to get the premium starter kit. This comes with each oil we've talked about today, and you will also be supplied with invaluable resources that can help you on your oily journey. You will also get the privilege of wholesale pricing on any Young Living products you purchase in the future, and the possibility of earning that referral-based $50 thank you check we discussed earlier.
So you're probably thinking, how do I sign up already? For those who are ready and excited to get started, visit www.myйл.com/KS Essentials. which is also posted for you at the bottom of this video in the description area. Scroll down to enroll with me, then click on the link that says sign up today.
Your premium starter kit is waiting for you, and we are so excited for you to start your toxic-free journey.
Yes, nothing gets us more fired up than helping others discover Young Living, and we want to be a resource to you every step of the way.
As mentioned in the description box of this video, you'll find our Young Living website, which has tons of helpful information.
You'll also find our Instagram and Facebook pages below, which are a fun way to continue to learn about essential oils. So please go like our page so we can stay connected.
Yes, and if you sign up today using our member number, we can get in contact with you personally and provide you with a lot of resources.
Thank you so much for being a part of this class.
We are so grateful that you came.
You're welcome to go scroll back through this video and ask us anything at your leisure. We're so excited about you joining us on this wellness journey.
Maybe we'll get to meet you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye. Skin with aloe. No need to dry out your skin. Coronavirus.